My name's Stephen Keir. I'm the production manager at Akubra, a hobby farmer as well. Got my fingers in a lot of pies. I think if I'm packing my Akubra, I'm going on a road trip. Doesn't really matter where, as long as we're hitting the road. Sticking to your guns. Got an idea, run with it. You know, people might tell you otherwise, but if you get it wrong, failure is the first step in learning. Legacy is something that's incredibly important. Pride in workmanship, handed on from generations. It's sort of what the brand's built on. Being such a family-orientated brand, it's really important to maintain some of the values of fairness and trust and being genuine. Not many that can say that they've lasted 150 years. Pretty incredible that a small family business has grown into something as big as it is now.